If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this bottle of wine and bottle of water into these lovely rhinestone embellished statement piece decor bottles, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some rhinestones to these cute little bottles. My aunt gave me these bottles because she picked them up at like a discount type of store. I'm not sure, maybe it was like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, something like that. So believe it or not, one of these is a wine and one is a bottle of water. So the Voss water you're probably familiar with, that's a plastic bottle. I'm going to start with the, I think it's called Voga. So as you can see, I sanded it down with some sandpaper. I'm going to do the same for both bottles. And I'm going to wipe it off with some 70% alcohol, just some little Dollar Tree alcohol. You want to make sure you get all that sand off. And the reason why you're scuffing it up is because you want to make sure that the glue has something to really adhere to really good. Now, I haven't used this glue in a while, so I was like, I have quite a bit left in this bottle. Let me just use this glue. It's called One Dot Not a Lot. A few years back, one of my subscribers told me about it, and I got it off Amazon. It was a little pricey. It was about $15 or $16, but it works very, very good. It has minimal smell, and I believe it's non-toxic, if I'm not mistaken, but it does work very well. So I'm just going to start from the bottom of the top and just work my way up. I'm using a glass rhinestone, an iridescent glass rhinestone, and this is, I believe, a SS12, which is like a equivalent almost to about 3mm size rhinestone. I'm using a wax pickup tool to apply the rhinestones, and this is something that you just want to kind of take your time with. As you get better, move a little faster. And you can use any color you want. She wanted like clear rhinestones, but if you wanted to, you could take some craft paint or like a Sharpie marker and go over it with pink, and then go over that with pink rhinestones. That would be like so cute. So you could just go ahead and watch me apply the rhinestones. It's pretty self-explanatory. I try to get it to be like as tight and neat as possible, but I'm not like a super perfectionist. I'm still working on like a perfect bricklayer method or a perfect column method, but the tighter you can get it, the better. But if you're a beginner, you know, don't be so hard on yourself. This is something that you can make as like cute decor. You can make this as a gift for someone. It's just something just cute. Okay, so as you can see now, I am working my way on the top of this, at the top of the top. And I'm just going to go around, start on the edges, and just go all the way around into a circular direction until I'm finished. So I'm almost done, and again, this is the wine. The wine is the glass bottle. I like the glass bottle better because it's more sturdy. I just like the way it feels. But both of them look like water to me. So I don't know if these companies are both affiliated or they just have a similar bottle or what. Also, this first bottle took the longest, and I'll tell you why. Look how small those stones are. So remember, the smaller the stones you use, the longer it will take to complete your project. So keep that in mind. Okay, so now we're on to bottle number 2, and I'm using some liquid fusion glue. I just used 2 different glues just because I just grabbed what I had at the time. I'm using a wax pickup tool again, and I had waited, I don't know what happened, but it was some time in between me finishing these bottles. As you can see, my nails are different. I'm not using the sequence backdrop on this one. I just wanted to switch things up a little bit. But on this one, I'm using a clear glass rhinestone, which is like a SS20. I'm sorry, this was a little out of focus. I didn't realize it. It's either a SS20 or SS16. So this is either a 4 or 5 millimeter rhinestone. And I just wanted to see the look of each one, just slightly different, just to get a feel of which one I like better. I like them both. So I don't know, it just depends. Let me know which one you guys think, or could you even tell the difference? Could you tell that the first bottle was a much smaller rhinestone and that it was iridescent, and that this is just a clear rhinestone and the rhinestone is a little bigger? Okay, so I'm on the top of the bottle, and I'll do the same like I did the first one. I'll just go around in a circle and just keep going around and around until I just kind of meet in the middle. So just take your time, apply the rhinestones however you see fit. You don't even have to use rhinestones. You can use pearls if you like to. So whatever you like best. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the Voss water bottle. And I think that just looks so cute. It's so cute. It has a nice little full look to it. Now, the way my aunt decorates her house, this is going to be perfect because she has like a nice little bar area in her basement. But she also has like these other cute like console tables, or like the table that sits like right behind a sofa. So basically, these are really cute decor pieces to like put out as display. You can drink it, of course, you know, take it with you on the go, throw it in your tote bag. And then once you're done with it, you know, just refill it with some more water. Or when you buy a new bottle, just swap out that bottle with this top, however you want to do it. But the reason why I made this is because my aunt wanted something to put out as a decor statement piece. That's what this is. It's a little out of focus, but I'm trying to get close so you can see how cute that bling is. It's really sparkly. Imagine that in the sunlight. And I'm also going to show you right here the first bottle. Now with them next to each other. Now I think you probably can tell the one on the right, which is the wine, has a much smaller rhinestone. It's a taller bottle too, but the tops are about the same size, but that top I think was a little taller. The other top is shorter. What do you like? Are you like into the smaller rhinestones on the right, the bigger ones on the left? But you know what else you can do? You can mix both sizes together. I like to see different variations of sizes of rhinestones too. So it just really depends on your preference. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Share it on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested in something like this. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing if you decide to subscribe. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.